The pizza. Ang init. Let me try the pizza. Whew. Lagyan natin ng konting Tulog pa si Mr. Lance Gamel. Antok ka. Para paggising niya mamaya, makaka-dinner na siya ng taco pizza. Good evening. I'm going to make a pizza. This has been a challenge to me by my husband to make a taco pizza. So titignan natin kung if I can make a taco pizza. Of course, but I can't do any dough. So I ordered the pizza dough. Pero let's see if this will fit my pizza pan. So, titingnan natin kung makagawa ako. Inventhin ko na lang ito. Parang, I love making taco. Pero, syempre, when you make taco, it's always, I have the taco seasoning mix. Madali lang naman gumawa ng taco. So, if I fail, mag-taco na lang kami. Marami pa naman akong taco shell. So, subukan natin. So, for now, nagawa muna ako ng dough. At maraming dough. Isang dough lang to eh. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So, gaganyan natin. At bubuksan natin ngayon. Itong do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Galing sa Metropolitan Market. So, igaganyan natin itong do na ito. Magiging do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Of course, pag ikaw may do, meron ding needing So, nakaano na po na kasi ito, yung pizza, na na to eh. Amuin ko nga. Bango. Ay, mabango po siya. So, ikailangan po natin na masa-masa na po yan. Ang lang natin is makakreate tayo ng bilog na bilog. Kaya lang, napakalit naman yata ng pizza na to. Kasi, tingnan niyo po, hindi ayaw lumaki. Ayaw lumaki. Ayaw niyan. Ano yung ginagawa nila pag nagpipizza ay ginaganon-ganon nila para lumaki laki-laki yung pizza, yung mga ganyan-ganyan ba. Ayaw po eh. So anyway, hindi naman po ako marunong gumawa ng pizza, no? Pero madalas po ako gumagawa ng pizza yung sa ibang klaseng dough. Sinubukan ko lang po itong dough na to. Itong do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So, gusto lang natin pong naku, baka may mga sumisigaw dyan. Hindi ganyan paano gumawa niyan. Yan. Kasi kailangan elastic, no? Parang hindi siya po elastic. Ang ingay, yun. Hindi po siya elastic, eh. Subukan po natin subukan natin lagyan. Masyado siyang maliit, Ganinin natin para baka lumaki pa. Lumuwag siya. Lumuwag siya. Nakakatawa naman ako gumawa ng pizza. Ay, napakaliit na pizza. Small pizza lang ang gagawin ko. Ay, bahala na, di na perfect, But anyway, basta gusto ng asawa ko pizza. Pipizzahin. Bakit ayaw? Di bumili na lang sana ako yung gumawa, yung ginagawa na nila. Ganyan natin. Yung gumaganyan. Ayan, napunit pa. Kaya igaganyan natin yung pizza. Yan. Ayaw po talaga. Hanggang, punit na nga, napunit na. Sige, bahala na. Okay, next step is we have to cook the meat with the taco sauce. Okay, so we're gonna you just stay there. Okay. So we'll cook the meat. Sayang. Sayang is the meat. So normally this is what I do. Taco for Lance. Ito yung ano ko. Then pag sama-samahin, I'll just put everything and then I have a pico de gallo for ano. So yan na magiging ano. This is a very challenging. Kasi sabi niya, I want pasta pizza. So we'll just have this to be cooked, and then we'll put the taco sauce. Okay. So we put the sauce. Okay. Masarap po to pag taco sauce together with the taco sauce. Let me see. Don't put too much because it's gonna taste what do you call that? It's gonna taste salty. Ah! Gonna put. Okay. Aha. Yeah. Next time I'm gonna make pizza, pinakbet pizza. O gagawin natin yan. Oh, medyo spicy. We'll make this a little bit cooler before we put it in the pizza. Okay guys, eto na po yung pizza. Nagpa-preheat po ako ng 375 degrees sa So far, since it's a pizza, we're gonna put a pizza sauce. Okay. Tulog pa ang aking asawa. Ilalagyan natin siya ng pizza sauce. So, lalagyan po natin ng pizza sauce. Since my husband is allergic to cheese, we cannot, this is a pizza without cheese. So ngayon, we're gonna put this one, ito yung ginawa nating meat. So, ito magiging meat. Yung meat na yan. Yan.
Medical staff were screaming about liability. Analysts were pulling up risk assessments. Praxis was calculating casualty probabilities and looking increasingly.
Dadalawahin natin kamay.
Myself at coordinator Praxis station. She is asking for this. I said quietly. And I think if we deny it, we would be making a statement about how we view humans in the coalition. Do we treat them as equals who can make their own choices?
Ay, sus. Lalagay pa natin hanggang madadamihan natin kasi dito yung sauce ng this is what you call the sauce, the Taco Bell sauce. Taco Bell. No, I'm sorry, it's not Taco Bell. This is the taco sauce. Taco pizza. Yeah. So we'll just put all this. Yan. So pag mainit na, yeah. So this is the taco. Ngayon, we put the pico de gallo. Pero bago muna, let's put more. Maganda kasi gusto. Lance likes sibuyas. This is the white. You know how much is the white onions now? This is like malaki to eh. $2.45. Yeah. Yeah. Natin. Yeah. Ganyan din natin. So ngayon, ano natin itong pico de gallo. Pico de gallo. Ano ko hirap dito. Ay nako. Itong pico de gallo is may cilantro, meron ding onions and tomatoes. Yeah. Yan ang ano ng nilalagay sa taco. So, ang dami pong ano to. Ang daming sauce. Ay, hindi pala. Meron palang bell pepper din to. Nilagyan may bell pepper. So, yan. Natin. Para nakakatakam-takam tignan, ano? Yan. So, hindi na natin po lalagyan to ng cheese kasi ang asawa ko is allergic to cheese. So, ilalagay na natin sa oven to. So far, 290 pa lang. So, hintaan natin mag 375 ang ating, yan. Pag mag 375 siya, saka natin ilalagay. So, ito na ang aking taco pizza. Tulog pa si Mr. Lance Gamel. Antok ka. Para paggising niya mamaya, makaka-dinner na siya ng taco pizza. Okay guys, 375 na. So lalagay natin ang pizza dito. Okay. Yung ating pizza, lalagay na natin dito sa... So titingnan natin siguro mga 45 minutes or 30 minutes lang, luto na yung pizza. Okay guys, ang bango-bango na ng pizza. So kukunin na natin ang pizza. Tachay. Mainit. Wow, ang sarap. Nakikita nyo? Mainit na mainit pa. So patay na natin. Yan na po ang pizza. Kita nyo, kumukulo-kulo pa. So, luto na po yan. Yan natin. Okay, yay! Ang ganda tignan yung pizza ni pizza. The taco pizza smells like... Oh my gosh, it smells like taco, honey. Dito ko muna ilalagay kasi mainit pa. So, I'll make it a cool... I have to... Keep it cool. Keep it cool muna tayo dyan. Make it here. Make it a little bit cooler. Oh, smells. Taco pizza! Sus! Tingnan natin kung paano natin siya i-ano. Lalagyan natin na. We have to go look for yung pizza, yung roller. Chuchuchi. Wala po siyang cheese. So, we'll see. Uy, it's so crispy. Did you hear that? So crispy, oh. Can you hear? Okay. So, i-move na. Ala. Mainit kasi. It's so hot that I have to, ay! So, ganyan. So, oops. Mainit. Ay, mainit. It's a little bit hot. So, where's that? Okay, so, this is, here you go. We made, nahawakan ko masyado mainit. Ay.
about what Maya had said about humans
Ito ba ay ano? Yeah. The problem is,
until it died.
will I have to have, ano, masyadong ano siya, oh.
Technologies
Okay.
specifically
We have to, ano.
environmental challenge their planet through a terrifying
So guys, tikman natin kung
weeks after what had become known as
masarap.
incident.
Kaya lang kasi pico de gallo, oh. Okay, naku. Ang hirap kasi, ano, oh. So, minsan, ang ginagawa ko, kinukutsilyo ko na sila. Okay. Uy! Ang hirap. Kasi matigas siguro. Tikman natin to. Eh, alam niyo, masarap yung dough. In fairness.
was that they had rolled up their sleeves.
Meron akong kutsilyo
The group was being briefed.
na siya igaganyan natin.
Lieutenant Maya
Mas masarap po siya.
looking for
Ayun. Nag-ano siya, umuurong. So, pwede natin siyang iguntingin. Yan, gunting lang po yan. Tingnan natin. Okay. Hindi na daan sa ano eh. Pagpasensyaan nyo na lang. Yung asawa ko, for sure, naghihintay yan ng pizza. But before that, let me try the pizza. Ang init. Let me try the pizza. Whew. Lagyan natin ng konting ano, pizza pang na ano. Ang init. It's so hot for me to show it to you. So guys, let me try the pizza that I made. Tinakita niyo umuusok pa, oh. It's still
we couldn't cross oceans or climb mountains or survive
init. It's still hot.
defying logic since we figured
Ah.
out how to make fire. Which, by the way, we did specifically set
Alam niyo masarap yung
places that were
the pizza dough is good.
Webb was a broad-shouldered man in his 50s,
Very thick
gray at his temples, and the kind
ang pizza.
suggested
I hope you enjoy. Medyo maanghang. Kasi may pico de gallo kasi. So anyway, thank you very much for watching my taco pizza. Masarap po ang ano niya. Masarap po yung dough. At saka yung, syempre, it tastes like taco. Wala lang yung lettuce. Okay. P.S. I'm gonna just say, what can you say about the? He already tasted the pizza. So what can you say about the taco pizza, honey?
Like and subscribe.
Honey, I'm not liking subscribe. I'm asking you, what can you say about the pizza?
Oh, pizza.
Yes,
Yeah, you know, it's not that bad.
it's not that bad. Taste taco.
Yeah, I like taco.
Okay.